John, thank you for joining us. What is your reaction to this budget that we just heard?
Well, obviously, I've said very clearly when I emerged, before we went in, that we're not in a position to support the budget in its current form. We don't believe this budget speaks to the growth agenda in South Africa, and it doesn't make some of the bold decisions that we need to be able to move the country forward. And so it's very, very important that people understand that you cannot simply pass a 1% cumulative VAT increase onto the people of South Africa, massively ramping up the cost of living, massively increasing the price of transport and other foodstuffs, without at the same time putting on the table some very, very clear issues that you could grow the economy with and create jobs. The Democratic Alliance joined government to be part of the job creation economic growth agenda. We do not believe that at this stage and in its current form, this budget speaks to that. We're very happy to continue the negotiations and work towards when the instruments have to be tabled. But in its current form, this budget only has 39% of the support in the House, and it's up to the Finance Minister now explain how he intends to get this budget over the line. I would have thought you come to the Parliament with a budget that is locked away with its own majority. This budget doesn't have that.